Welcome to PCB Online, your global engine for all-in-one electronics manufacturing. Here, every idea comes to life faster, and every partnership runs smoothly. Our smart manufacturing facilities across Southeast Asia run on data-driven, standardized, and streamlined systems, ensuring traceable delivery, consistent quality, and agile response. With our self-developed information management system, IMS, we ensure full process transparency, real-time traceability, and seamless coordination, from design to delivery. Our strength lies in technology and flexibility. With over 200 engineers, we engage early in product development, crafting tailored solutions to help you build better products at lower costs. At PCB Online, we don't just manufacture, we help you shape the future. We look forward to building what's next with you.